Hello everyone, this is Arokia from EazyTutor. In this video tutorial, I am going to share with you guys how to apply the system-wide proxy in Linux machine. So I assume most of you people use Tor browser for your privacy concern, like privacy browsing. So that applies only the proxy in the browser, not across the machine, especially when you are using Linux. Earlier we were using proxy chains, but now I came to know there is one more tool or script, I would say, which eases the process of getting proxy system wide. So let's see how that works and how to install that and all those things. Here I am using Kali Linux 2020. So I am going to show you the link. There is a link to download that repo. This is available in GitHub, and this is from Govia Hater, and the name is nipe. And this is actually to engine to make Tor network your default gateway. So whatever the tool you are using inside the system, it will go through this proxy gateway. So that's what the intention is. So here this is the steps to install. First you need to clone and run this command to install the dependencies. This is already I have done, so I don't want to waste your time by showing this installing scrolling lines, all of this. So just run these two commands, and after completing these two commands and trigger this install parameter from nipe.pl. This is a Perl script. So this is how you install the necessary modules and all those dependencies for nipe, and after that we can start routing and stop the proxy routing across the system. So let's see how to use that first. Let me get into my tools folder. Here I have clone my nipe repo. You can see nipe.pl file is here. So first let's see how the current IP location is. I am using iplocation.net to check my current location from IP. You can see my current location is Chennai and my provider and all this stuff. So let's try to use our nipe.pl. So I'm going to run we need to run with Perl nipe.pl and use the command start. So I'm starting. It's asking for a password, so it waits for some time and creates a proxy for us. So now let's check the status also through this. It says okay, let's check the internet is coming or not. It's not coming. Let's restart. Status. Now you can see the IP. See status activated, and the current IP is 8.31 150.129.8.31. So let's see what is the location of that IP now. So this is my plain Firefox browser. I didn't start this with Tor browser, so you can see it got switched to another location from here. So likewise, even if you try to scan any host on internet or do any activity from terminal also, it will be contacting using this gateway only. So all your traffic inside the system is anonymized, so you don't need to worry about any privacy concerns henceforth when you are dealing with nipe. So I hope you find this tool useful. I'll meet you all people in another tutorial with some useful information. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.